Good morning. So this is day 7. This is the last day, and I'm drinking my coffee, reading some technology news, and it's going to rain. Today I have to go back to Larnaca and return the car and depart and go back to the Netherlands. And it's raining. Great. Okay, I'm getting ready to check out, and I'm going to tell you my secret to never forget anything. In my 10 years traveling on my own, I never misplaced or forget anything or left anything behind. This is what I always do. I always put all the linens and bent stuff on a corner. After checking them, I put all the pillows on a place. I always check all the wardrobes. I always check on this side of the bed or under the bed. And I always check that everything has left organized. And when I get settled on the hotel or hostel room, I never go too wide. I mean, I put the things on specific places. For example, in this case, I put them on this table and this little table, and I didn't use that one or that thing there. I just use one of those wardrobes compartments. That way I know that all the stuff that I need to gather are only located in 3 or 4 places, and yeah, that's it. And that's how I never forget anything and I never miss anything. I never got the breakfast as fast as that place. I think after we order, we got everything in under 10 minutes. And back to the airport. I arrived with the sunny day and I'm leaving with the rainy day. I wanted to go to Larnaca and spend a few hours there, but with this rain it's impossible. So I'm better off to the airport and just kill the time here. So Burger King here gives you a bigger size, but they charge you $6.55. So you're forced to for a bigger size, but so of course they can charge you more. This is interesting, but it's a bit expensive. These are all the options.
Flight number TOM4763 to local country. Passengers, mainland gate, heading to gate number 14 downstairs. May I have your attention, please? We would like to inform passengers traveling with.
So we're finally boarding after 7 hours. So just here waiting for the cab. It's 1 a.m. in the morning.